stairs here going to the basement. And we just removed the old carpet and we're gonna replace it with another used carpet because we want to save money. You want to save as much as possible here. So this one I painted black. So here is the carpet that we don't want to use anymore, and he's gonna cut it.
So I'm thinking, don't record my voice.
We've been using this carpet for quite a long time and I'm not happy about it anymore, so we're gonna reuse it, repurpose it. So he's looking for a pattern that we can use.
Like this. Let's see how it looks now. Oh, I cut it. I didn't expect that. You fix it, you don't tear it. Maybe I will burn it. Mm-hmm. 74. Okay. So, hi.
This is all
So
used. Everything is used.
everything is used.
It's recycling.
How to do now? How I will do now? Bend it. Good.
This is not nice.
I have to cut it.
Everyone is different style at every step. So it's done. It's done.
On metal, don't stay.
Ay.